Today I'll be showing you the Ortega method for 2x2. Ortega method can get you up to 5-second solves, so that's really good. So the first step of Ortega method is to make one face. I'll be using the white face as demonstration, but you can start on any face. It's fine to start on any face. So yeah. First step is to make just one face, not one layer. It's okay if you accidentally make a layer, but just try make one face. So it's very simple. I will be showing you a video on some of the tricks for making one face. The second step for the Ortega method is to make the yellow face, or the opposite color you started from. So opposite white is yellow. So here's the first case out of 7. I know 7 sounds like a lot, plus the extra 5 we're gonna learn later. But it's actually very easy, especially if you already know OLL on Rubik's Cube already. So the first case is called H. So we have two bars opposite each other. So this one's facing to the back, this one's facing to the front. Then you do R2, U2, then R, and then U2, then R2. Then this will make the yellow face. Second algorithm is pi. So second algorithm is called pi, and it goes like this. So one yellow sticker is facing this way, and one yellow sticker is facing to us. Then we have a bar on the left. So basically you go like this. R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. So there's the second phase. That one is basically just a bunch of patterns. It's actually very easy to memorize after just practicing. Second case is called anti-soon. So anti-soon goes like this. You see the corner at the bottom, at the back, at the right. And then you see this sticker facing you. You can also recognize it like this, where you see this sticker facing up, but no sticker here. So then you can just do a double top move. Then it goes like this. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Simple as that. Then we have basically the opposite of that. It's just normal old suit. Like we saw earlier with this one. If you look with this one at the front left to you, if there's no sticker, it's an anti-soon. If there's no sticker, a yellow sticker here, it's anti-soon. But if there is a yellow sticker here, it's a soon. So it goes like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And we've made face again. The second case is L. So it basically goes like this. There's two corners facing up. One of them facing here, and one of them facing to the right. Don't hold this like this. So how I remember it is one sticker is facing to you on the left, and these two are facing up. Then you'll do a front, a R prime, and an F prime. That's the first step. Then we're basically gonna do R, U prime, R prime. And that solves second phase. Then we have the T shape. Algorithm goes very simply. So we have a bar at the top, and we have these two going opposite. Similar to that other case called pi. But don't think of that, otherwise I'm just confusing you. So basically do a right-handed move. Then you So I believe everyone should know the right-handed move. Just R, U, R prime, U prime. Then we do a sledgehammer, which is R prime, F, R, F prime. And then we've solved the face again. Now we're down to our last case, luckily. And it goes something like this. So this case is very simple. It's just, you just basically do F, then you do a right-handed move, then you do F prime. Simple as that. That's all of the OLA cases. Now we're down to the third step, the last step. So these are called PBL algorithms, and there are 5, and I basically learned them all in 1 or 2 days, so it's very easy. So the first case is where the bottom layer is solved. So there are 2 cases for this one. This is one called T-perm. This one is very easy. So it's just R, you do a right-handed move, then you do R prime, then you do F, then you do R2, then you do U prime, then a R prime, then a U prime, then a R, then a U, then a R prime, then a F prime. So it's just a T-perm, simple as that. And if you just search up T-perm and you will get the case. So T-perm is from a PLL algorithm, so it's very easy. Then we have the case where you still have a solved layer, but we have the case like this. These 2 need to go diagonal of each other. T-perm is where these 2 have to swap. Now it's these 2 that have to swap. So you do F, you do R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. Then you do this case basically where it's like right-handed move, then a sledgehammer. Simple as that. So now let's move on to the case where the bottom layer has a bar. So you might see a case where we have 2 bars. Doesn't matter if they're the same color or not. You have basically 2 bars. So you join the 2 bars next to each other with U moves. Then you do this algorithm. So it goes R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2, U prime, R2. So simple as that. So it doesn't matter where you can do it. You can have bar over here and a bar over here. It doesn't matter. And yeah, now we are moving on to the next case, where there are no bars at the bottom and we have only 1 bar at the top. Now you might see it like this. There are no bars at the top, but there are bars at the bottom. Just flip your cube over and do this algorithm. So it's R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. And yeah, that's the other one. And the last one, the final one, is this one. So you basically join, it looks like you have to swap these 2 and these 2. It kind of looks like a checkerboard pattern, but not really. So this whole section has to go over here, and this whole section has to go over here. About the last one, how you recognize it is you see a bar and you see no bar, so you have the bar in front of you. F2. And with the T-perm, you just see the light. When you do the T-perm, you will always see this same bar over here. So it's very easy. And yeah, that's the Ortega method for 2x2.